California, a land where dreams meet the ocean, where rugged mountains embrace the desert, and where every horizon feels like the opening scene of a movie. From the sun-soaked shores of Malibu to the snow-kissed peaks of Yosemite, this is a place of contradictions that somehow blend into perfection. When you think of California, you might picture Hollywood, surfboards, and endless summer. But look closer, and you'll find a world that is far more complex, raw, and unreal than any postcard could ever capture. This journey is not just across geography, it's across time, nature, and the very essence of wonder. Our story begins where the Pacific kisses the earth with relentless beauty. The California coast. There's something eternal about the way the waves crash against the cliffs of Big Sur, their rhythm echoing through time like nature's heartbeat. The Pacific Coast Highway winds like a silver ribbon, hugging the edges of the continent, revealing jaw-dropping views at every turn. Here, mist curls around redwood trees that have stood for centuries, their roots tangled deep in ancient soil, whispering stories of resilience. This is where the world feels untouched, raw and sacred, where every sunrise paints the ocean gold and every sunset leaves you silent. Further north, you reach a place that feels like stepping into a painting, the majestic redwood forests. These giants, some older than the Roman Empire, rise hundreds of feet into the sky. The sunlight filters through their canopies in thin, holy beams, turning the forest floor into a living cathedral. The air here is heavy with history, with life, with the quiet reminder that time moves differently in places this old. When you walk among these trees, you can't help but feel small, humbled, yet deeply connected to something greater. Napa Valley, elegant, sunlit, serene, is where time slows down. You can almost taste the calm in the air. The vineyards shimmer under the Californian sun, their grapes ripening in perfect rhythm with the seasons. Here, the art of wine becomes a metaphor for life itself. Patience, balance, and appreciation for every note, every flavor, every fleeting moment. Drive east, and the landscape transforms again, rising and falling like an ocean of stone. Yosemite National Park stands as the beating heart of the Sierra Nevada, an ancient masterpiece sculpted by glaciers and time. Towering granite walls of El Capitan and Half Dome rise like titans guarding a lost paradise. Waterfalls tumble from impossible heights, and when you look out from Glacier Point at dusk, you feel something almost spiritual. The silence here is sacred, broken only by the wind whispering through pine. Yosemite is more than beauty. It's a reminder of nature's raw, infinite strength, and our place within it. Keep driving south, and the snow gives way to sand. Endless, glowing sand. Death Valley, the hottest place on Earth, defies logic. It's a place where temperatures soar past human limits, yet life still finds a way. The salt flats stretch endlessly under the burning sun, cracked and blindingly white. At sunrise, the dunes glow orange. At night, the stars burn brighter than anywhere else in America. Death Valley feels alien, silent, and timeless. Proof that beauty can exist even in the harshest extremes. And then, there's the desert's secret oasis, Joshua Tree National Park. Here, the landscape feels like another planet entirely. Twisted Joshua trees stretch their arms toward the sky, and massive boulders rise like sculptures carved by ancient hands. The desert light here has a strange magic, soft yet fierce, painting everything in surreal shades of pink and gold. It's no wonder artists, musicians, and wanderers have come here for decades, searching for inspiration. At night, the stars spill across the sky in an overwhelming display. So vivid, so infinite, it feels like you could reach out and touch them. From the vast silence of the desert to the electric pulse of the city, Los Angeles rises like a mirage, a place of contradictions, where dreams are born and broken every day. From the glimmering lights of downtown to the palm-lined boulevards of Beverly Hills, LA is a mosaic of cultures, ambitions, and emotions. Stand at Griffith Observatory as the sun dips below the horizon and the city flickers to life. Millions of lights stretching endlessly to the Pacific. You realize that Los Angeles is not one story. It's millions of stories, overlapping, colliding, creating something uniquely human. Further south, The energy softens as you reach San Diego, a city defined by sunshine and salt air. Its coastline is a masterpiece. Cliffs, coves, and golden beaches where surfers chase waves and children chase seagulls. The harbor buzzes with life, while Balboa Park's gardens bloom in every color imaginable. San Diego feels like perpetual summer, an embrace of warmth, relaxation, and joy. But California's soul isn't just in its cities or national parks. It's in its quiet corners, in the small towns that time forgot. Places like Mendocino, where the cliffs fall straight into the sea and fog rolls in like a soft blanket. Or Lake Tahoe, where the water is so clear you can see the bottom even 60 feet deep, surrounded by pine forests and snow-capped peaks. These are the places where you find the real California, untouched, unfiltered, unhurried. Then there's San Francisco, a city built on hills and hope. Its streets twist and climb, revealing glimpses of the Golden Gate Bridge rising from the mist like a dream. Cable cars rattle along the steep avenues, seagulls cry above the bay, and the scent of salt water mixes with the aroma of fresh bread from Fisherman's Wharf. San Francisco has an energy that's both nostalgic and futuristic. Further north, you enter the wild beauty of the Lost Coast, one of California's most remote stretches. There are no crowds, no highways, no distractions, just the sound of waves and the sight of cliffs plunging straight into the Pacific. It's a place that humbles you, that strips away everything unnecessary until only awe remains. Here, the California dream returns to its roots: freedom, wilderness, and endless discovery. California's diversity doesn't stop with landscapes. Its people, from surfers to scientists, artists to adventurers, mirror the same contrast. It's a land of innovation and rebellion, where Silicon Valley redefines the future, while farmers in the Central Valley nurture the earth. Drive through Palm Springs and you see mid-century architecture shimmering under the desert sun. Cruise through Santa Barbara and you'll feel Mediterranean breezes whispering through palm trees. Wander through the streets of Chinatown in San Francisco or Olvera Street in LA, and you'll taste the entire world within a few blocks. Even nature's palette here feels infinite. One day you can ski in Lake Tahoe, the next you can surf in Malibu. You can hike through redwoods in the morning and stand on a desert ridge at sunset. No other place on earth offers that contrast, that constant reminder that beauty exists in opposites. And yet, beneath all this wonder, California carries fragility. For travelers, California isn't just a destination. It's a feeling, a blend of nostalgia, discovery, and hope. But for everyone, it's unforgettable. Because once you stood on its cliffs, watched its sunsets, and felt its endless sky above you, a part of California stays with you forever. It lives in the way you chase horizons, in the way you find beauty in contrasts, in the way you believe that the world is still full of wonder. There's a truth about the Pacific Coast Highway that most visitors don't fully experience on a billboard tour. It's not just a road, it's a moving poem carved out by sea and stone. As you leave Big Sur behind and continue north, the highway twists along cliffs that drop hundreds of feet into the restless ocean below. Every bend brings a new vista: isolated coves where gulls wheel against the sky, sea stacks rising like ancient sentinels, and surf pounding relentlessly at hidden coves. The road is slow by design. There's no rush. Along the way, pullouts invite you to stop and stare, sometimes in silence, sometimes with the waves offering their own applause. Further inland, the Sierra Nevada range looms in grandeur. These mountains aren't just a backdrop, they demand respect. Snowmelt feeds alpine lakes that mirror the sky, and granite walls rise so sheer that climbing them feels like translating a poem into motion. Trails wind through meadows dotted with wildflowers, leading you to hidden glacial valleys, where the only sound is a distant creek singing over stones. At dusk, marmots whistle, and the air cools so dramatically you reach for a jacket. Up there, you feel both small and infinite, caught between earth and sky. During the fall, the Sierra transforms. Aspen groves ignite into gold, their leaves trembling like flickering candles in the breeze. A drive through Tioga Pass is a sensory feast: crisp mountain air, fleeting light, and panoramic views of jagged peaks cutting into the horizon. At places like Tuolumne Meadows, the world becomes soft. The vastness invites reflection, and every horizon feels like the beginning of a story. Then there's Lake Tahoe, so clear, so deep, that the mountains reflect perfectly on its surface, as though the earth has a twin beneath the water. In summer, kayakers glide across emerald coves, and sailboats drift with graceful precision. In winter, the landscape transforms, from shimmering aqua to frozen glass under a sky of clouds and snow. Tahoe is a place where seasons converse, where activity blends with serenity, and where both adventurers and dreamers find something to call home. One magical stretch often overlooked by tourists is the Eastern Sierra, where high desert meets alpine wilderness. Drive through Bishop Meadow in late spring, just as wildflowers bloom across rolling hills, and you'll feel like you've stepped into a painting. Ancient volcanic formations rise nearby, shaped by eons of fire and time, and quiet lakes lie beneath blue skies so expansive they feel infinite. At night, without city lights to distract, the Milky Way spills overhead in a dazzling arc. It's in those dark hours that you understand how vast California truly is, and how wild. Further west again, the Central Valley unfolds, a huge swath of agricultural bounty where golden fields stretch as far as the eye can see, dotted with orchards heavy with fruit. Here the air smells of citrus and almond blossoms. Farm stands promise peaches, pistachios, and fresh olive oil. Small towns like Fresno and Modesto reflect a different California, one of hard work, sun-baked soil, and generations of growers who shape the food that feeds the world. Driving through, you feel grounded in tradition and abundance. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more deep dives made simple. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. See you in the next one.